Because the real burden isn't that you're too small. It's that you've been trying to be too big. Trying to carry outcomes that were never yours. Trying to generate strength that does not come from you. Trying to control things that only God can sustain. And that is where exhaustion lives. But here's the deeper truth in this gospel. Authority in the kingdom is not diminished by being second. It is secured by it. Jesus says, "Whoever receives the one I send receives me." Now think about that. The messenger, the one who lowers himself, carries the full weight of the sender. Not partial authority, not even symbolic authority, full representation. It's the difference between a person speaking on their own behalf and an ambassador speaking on behalf of a king. The ambassador doesn't need to be impressive. He just needs to be faithful. When you are sent, you don't bring your own resources to the table. You bring the whole treasury of the kingdom. You stop worrying about your own name because you're carrying His. Which means when you stop trying to be the source, you don't lose influence. You gain something unbreakable. Because now it's no longer resting on your shoulders. It's resting on His. And then there's Judas. He's still sitting there, still being served. And Jesus kneels, knowing exactly what's coming. And he doesn't withdraw. He doesn't harden. He doesn't protect himself. He simply serves anyway. And it wasn't because Judas deserved it. It was because Jesus is not acting from reaction. He's acting from identity. See, that's the heart of it. When you think that you're the source, a Judas becomes a threat. But when you know that you've been sent, a Judas becomes a person who still needs to see what the Father's love looks like. And there is the difference.